viewers. In this short video, I will teach you how you can clear or delete your search history. For that, open your browser. In the Google, just search for myactivity.google.com. Click on the first link, Welcome to my activity Google. Now, on this screen, you can see web and app activity. Click on this option. Just scroll down. You will see an option, Manage all web and app activity. Open it. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see a three dot option. Click on this. Now click on the delete and activity by. Here you can see that we can delete web and app activity on number of options. The first option is last hour. It means that in the last hour what you have searched, you can delete on the basis of that. If you click this, you will find here a message for confirmation. If you want to delete, so all the search history in the last hour will be deleted. The second option, last day. So if you want to confirm the search history deletion in the last day, so you can click on delete and all the data for the last day will be deleted. The third option, we have all the time. Till this time, what you have searched on the laptop or computer using the internet, so all the history will be deleted. And we see the last option here, the custom range. So we can also select the custom range as well according to our requirement. So you can select here after. Let's suppose I am giving here or selecting an option from the 1st April 2025 to now. Here you have to select before. So we are starting from the 1st April 2025 and we are here selecting from the 1st May. So it means we have the last 1 month. And if you want to confirm it, then click OK and then click next. So all the data between 1st April 2025 and before 1st May 2025 will be deleted. So this was a very simple method that you can delete or clear all your search history.